All right, I got a new laptop. I had liked running Linux on IBM ThinkPads, but they're just too fragile. I take them on motorcycle trips and kind of destroy them. So I wanted to try something a little different. This is the Framework laptop, and I got a DIY thing, but this laptop is designed to be repairable and upgradable, with the idea of having less e-waste, less tightly integrated things. This is a 13-inch. It's like a Ryzen 5 AMD. Those are supposed to be a little bit better than the current generation Intel stuff. They're a little easier on power. But yeah, some assembly is required. So you basically get like the chassis, and then the IO ports are configurable. So you can sort of pick and choose what you want. That's just a holder. I think I only got 3. Maybe should have got another USB-A. And I guess just a power adapter, and of course the battery. Oh, battery and memory. Trying to do this holding the power adapter. Tools, and probably instructions. So I might come back when I have some of this unboxed. All right, I got it unboxed mostly. The power adapter is quite small. NVMe SSD, 16 gig of RAM, 2 sticks. This is a keyboard, of course. Like if you have a different language, you'd have a different keyboard. The bezel, and then this is the body of the laptop. So it comes with the battery and motherboard installed. Here are the ports, which look to be just USB-C to whatever. So I suppose like I have a USB-C one, that's probably just a pass-through. And HDMI. And there's, sorry, I gotta use 2 hands. Ports on the bottom, so what would I have on this side? HDMI maybe? These just click in. Clever design. Pretty light, you know, for being. Oh, it's got a head jack or headphone port. That's cool. For being like repairable and upgradable, you can replace the motherboard next year if you want a different, more powerful CPU. Oh, there's a screw. Oh, those are probably captured. Those are the screws for the keyboard. Surprisingly light. I guess it's a 13, so it's not gonna be very big. Anyway, gonna do some assembly, throw Ubuntu on here. All the hardware is supposed to be supported in Ubuntu. They will pre-install it. So I'm excited to see how this works. All right, installing Ubuntu. That was very easy to set up. You can actually buy it with everything pre-installed. I think I should get another port. I have 1 slot left, so I think I'll probably just get a USB-C, and then I may carry an Ethernet dongle. The Ethernet port on these laptops, it like sticks out, which I didn't like. So, and I don't use it that often. Mostly use Wi-Fi. But I'm impressed with like the setup and the build quality. The weight, it's brushed aluminum. This is gonna be the new travel laptop. I like that the power adapter is so small. Could probably have a shorter cable. But yeah, great experience so far. This is about, I paid around $1,050. It's an AMD Ryzen 5 7040-ish. So we'll do some benchmarking and see how fast it is. But I like the experience so far.